I were you.
What happened?
Come back, ladies, because when that gas tank goes, it's going to be a big kaboom.
Full tank? Yeah,
You called 911, eh?
they're coming. Yeah. Yeah.
Honey, the reason the horn's going is because the whole car is, there we go.
I would back up, people.
Yep, yep. I'd move your car! Someone might need to block there.
I would tell that, ma'am, please come back. Ma'am.
You need to come if that blows. If that blows, you're gonna get stuff falling on you.
I would stand behind this vehicle if I were you.